Next to preparations. Preparations number one. That is, you know that from alcohols, okay na? From alcohols. So alcohols, example, alcohols when react with concentrated H2SO4 at 140 degrees Celsius. At 140 degrees Celsius, or alumina Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius. Any one of the reagent you can use. Now we will get that these are 2 moles can be participate, and we will get ethers. We will get ethers. Diethyl ether. This is ethyl alcohol. Okay na? So the mechanism, if you see the mechanism, so H plus is from strong acid H2SO4. So first step, the oxygen have lone pair, the protonation takes place. Protonation means H plus attacking. The step is a protonation. This is called protonation. So proton attacking, that is called protonation. So now H2 get a positive charge, right? It's get a positive charge. So in the second step, what happened? In the second step, if you take in the second step, here I am taking CH3 second mole. So the oxygen positive charge is unstable now. So immediately it should be eliminate. Water eliminate. Oxygen is positive unstable. With the bond pair electrons, water eliminate. Then this carbon get positive charge now. Now it will be get attack here. Okay. This is backside attacking. If it is eliminate front side, this is backside attacking. Okay. This is a SN2 reaction. SN2. Right. The next step, CH3, CH2, OH, CH2, CH3. Right. Thus water is eliminated, minus H2O. Okay. Now this oxygen get positive charge. Now this H plus eliminate. Minus H plus. This H plus eliminate. Now we will get diethyl ether. Diethyl ether is the product. Okay. So this is the mechanism. In the first step of protonation, in the last step of deprotonation, removal of proton. Okay. So for alternate simply 2 moles now. We are taking 2 moles. Simply water remove. You will get this minus H2O. Alternate from 2 molecules just to remove the water. Okay, that is alternate mechanism, right now. So minus H2O. So the same mechanism, if you take alkyl, tertiary alkyl groups, tertiary butyl group, if you take, that is follows SN1 mechanism. Okay, if you take this, for example, so no need. If you take tertiary alkyl groups, it follows so secondary or tertiary, that is mechanism is SN1 mechanism, right? If alcohol is a secondary 2 degree or 3 degree, tertiary, okay na, alcohol, then follows SN1 mechanism. SN1 means carbocation formation. Here no carbocation, directly front side at eliminating, it will be attacking back side, that is SN2. So if this group is a secondary alkyl or tertiary alkyl group, after elimination of water, carbocation generate. Then next alcohol will be attacked. That is the SN1 way. Okay, no need here, but you have to just remember, if the alcohol is secondary or tertiary alcohol, then follows SN1 mechanism, right? So if the alcohol is primary, generally it follows SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism, right? Okay. Next, please take one of the most important reaction, that is Williamson's ether synthesis. Williamson's ether synthesis. Ether synthesis. Very important. Williamson's ether synthesis. So in this synthesis, most important, okay, in the Williamson's ether synthesis, sodium, okay, alkyl halides, this is alkyl halides, okay, alkyl halides when react with sodium alkoxides, sodium or potassium alkoxides, this is sodium or potassium, sodium alkoxide, this is sodium alkoxide, and dry ether is the solvent, ROR, generally diethyl ether is the solvent, okay now, it is again solvent, okay now. So here NaX eliminated, the product formation takes place, so ether form plus NaX will be eliminated by product, okay. So this is generally if alkyl group, alkyl halide is generally primary, it follows SN2 mechanism, okay na, follows generally SN2 mechanism, right, SN2 mechanism follows SN2 mechanism, okay. This is the main equation, the applications we will discuss now. So how we will prepare different ethers. Example, methyl chloride when react with sodium methoxide, okay now what happened? So here simply NaCl will be removed, minus NaCl, and we will get CH3 CH3 plus NaCl is removed, okay. You see the mechanism, okay. So methyl chloride, this is sodium methoxide, it will be backside attack, so front side attack eliminating, SN2 backside attacking, front side eliminating, so CH3O CH3, okay. Diethyl ether, that is the SN2 mechanism, right. Now if we take different, this is a symmetric ethers, we can cut into equal halves, okay now both alkyl groups are same, that is the symmetric, right. You want to prepare others, okay, others, so example ethyl chloride and sodium methoxide, okay, NaCl eliminate, and ether is the solvent. Now we will get diethyl ether. Okay, diethyl ether.